Voice Lesson 101 with Mr. B. Go.
And
Ano kayo sa I Get Lost?
I get lost
I get lost. Mali?
in your eyes.
In your eyes. Natatawa ako. I get lost in your eyes.
And it,
Ano? And ano?
and it,
And ano?
You have to put that in your mixed voice.
and it.
My spirit. Ayan, go. I get lost.
I get lost.
I get lost.
I
Baba naman.
I get lost.
Yan.
And I feel... Ano? Ang hirap naman, please.
and I feel.
So and I is in the mix. So
And I feel... And
how
I
do you feel?
And I feel... And I feel...
My spirit's right.
My spirit rise.
Yan. Kaya.
And I feel... My spirit rise.
Mm-hmm.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Tapos niya kuha. I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit rise. Mali. Tama? And then, isn't this what you're romantic? Naubos yung boses. Isn't this what's called romance? Mali.
What's called romance, man,
Ganun lang.
Isn't it that I am it? I get me anything.
Yan.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know. 'Cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. Rise and soar like a wind.
O, diba?
Is it love that I am in?
Pwede naman pala eh.
I get me anything. Isn't this what's romance? And now I know I'm what I'm heading for.
Potato.
You can take me to the Parang kaya ko na kayo, please. Parang kailangan ko na ng pagpadulas para makapag-voice lesson na. Parang sina-challenge ako ng kantang to. Sandali, hindi pwede yan. Ano, pampadulas, inom-inom tayong tubig dito. For my voice lesson, one-on-one. Grabe. Okay, dahil nakainom na tayo ng isa, ilaban na natin to. I'm lost in your eyes. Sometimes we get tonight, and when I first knew was when I first.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
It takes forever. I would wait until tomorrow's true. And it don't even care. We had